Well, hello, my loves. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. Well, today I thought that it would be a great idea to change this look into a night look. Hey, this look into a night look. So you ever leaving work and you're like, girl, let's go out for some drinks, and you're like, dang, I need to switch it up a little bit. I don't feel like doing all my makeup over. Well, you done out town. Basically, all you have to do is change your eyes and your lips, and you will change this look into a night look. This look into a night look. Hey. Anyway, so if you would like to see what I create, stay tuned, boo boo. So the products I will be using will be my NYX palette, Smoky Eye palette, which looks like this. I've had it for some time now, so the black in here is pretty used up. For lips, I will be using Rihanna's Uncensored Stunner Lip Paint, which looks like this. And I really love the packaging. It almost looks like a nail polish, and it is so cute. So for the eyes, I'm just going to add that black just in the crease, right where my wing is, and I'm just gonna pat that in there, just using patting motion. Bring it inward just a little bit. Okay, now you can already see the difference. I'm gonna do the same for the other side. I'm just using patting motion. I'm just bringing it inward. Okay. And then I'm just gonna blend that upward to the brow bone. Same for the other side. Just blending it upward into the brow bone. Okay. Then I'm going to simply blend that out. I'm just going to take a little bit of that black and place it underneath at the bottom lid. I'm just going to pat. And I'm not going to bring it all the way in. Just enough to get that smoky effect. Okay. Do the same for the other side. Just patting that in. Now I'm going to bring it in just a little more so it can fade. Simply going to take off the nude and apply Uncensored by Rihanna. And let's add this red lip. And here is the finished look. Yes. Your day look into a night look. Hey, your day look turned into a night look. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and I really hope that you enjoyed this mini tutorial. I will be sure to list the products used for this tutorial in the description box below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And as I always say, until next time, keep smiling. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and I will be sure to list the products used for this tutorial in the comments section. so much for tuning into my channel. I really thank you so much. Feel free to ask questions and I will be sure to get back to you at my earliest convenience. This is not a freaking voicemail.